Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Bill the Harley Guy. This is, I don't know how long this is going to be. Might be a short video, I don't know. I'm taking off the Moto Horn, getting the bike all cleaned up, taking off everything that I put on it to get the Moto Horn to work, and well, yeah. So I'm going to start taking everything apart. Alright. Find my tools. There they are. This will be quick and easy. I'm hoping. It ain't going to take too long. I'm hoping. There's that one. Alright. Now I gotta pull the cover off the battery on the other side. So I gotta move you guys around so you guys can see somewhat of what I'm doing. There we go, right there. Okay, there's the horn. Alright. There. Alright. Let's continue. Try to kick shit around. I'm gonna take the cover off. There we go. Put it in my chair. Now I gotta get a small wrench. I think this is it, maybe. I don't know. It's 3/8. Oh. Think I'm better off using my Phillips screwdriver. There we go. Alright. Hot side, get that off. Come on, get out of there. Okay, there's the hot. Okay. Don't need that one. Definitely don't need this one. Yeah. Okay. Oh, alright. That's to my tender. Good, I need that one. So I don't need this other one. Alright. Get my little cutters. Get the wire. Bird doesn't hope. Come on, get out of there. I don't want to electrocute myself. So I need to, there we go. Now I ain't touching. There. You can pull that off. Pull this hot wire out. Success. Alright, get this ground. This ground is, where's it at? Make sure I'm getting that right. Yep, alright, got it. Okay. So I need to take that off too. I'll go ahead and hook up my battery back up. Connect it to my tender pigtail. There we go. Get that back in order, all situated. Come on. Just when I thought it was going to be easy. Don't you go nowhere. Alright. Okay. There's that one. Yeah, that one back up. Alright. I'll leave the cover off because I gotta put my charger on it to charge it, because I'll be leaving for Florida Friday morning. So I can't wait till I start that trip. But I heard some bad news too, that Friday we're supposed to have, I guess, a snowstorm. I guess, I don't know. That's what people's been telling me. I haven't seen it yet because I haven't looked. It's supposed to be snowing really bad or whatnot. So, anywho, if it is, I'm still gonna go. I'm not gonna let that stop me from doing what I want to do. You know, as long as the roads are clear, free of ice, I'm going to make that trip anyway. So, that's that. Now, get this out of here. Get this out of here. Alright. Okay, where's my half inch? Half inch. Oh, right in front of me. Alright, so, anywho, this will be ready. I'm putting the horn on the new horn I got from Drag Specialty. I'm putting on. And I also got a horn cover from KRATOR. Yep, KRATOR, KRATOR. It's a skull horn cover. I only got it because it was cheap. And it's chrome. Alright, see, it's all off. It doesn't make the bike look ugly anymore because it's off. Even though it's loud as hell. Still. I'll save that for another project. I don't hate it. I just don't like it on this bike. You know, it's all about preferences. So, anyway, I got a horn that just came in. Saturday. I didn't get my mail until yesterday. So, I got it from Drag Specialty. And it's just a basic horn. Small, you know. Just, it's something. Then I gotta install it. Put that there for now. Then I gotta install it inside this guy. Let's see. It's a skull. You know, it tucks in the back here. You know, empty here, turn around, nobody's gonna know it. You know, so anyway, and it comes with all the brackets to install the horn. So that's a good thing there. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna do it. You know, installing it. So I just gotta figure it out. And I think I'm gonna need let's see. I'm looking here. I think I'm going to need this original mount. Otherwise I'd have to use that black mount and I don't want to. But we'll see. Once I get it on. Okay, there's that. Put this down. Whoops. My screw! Unhook the hose. Whoa. Don't want you getting marked up. Alright. Take this down. Alright. Now I'm going to take this off. Alright. Take that off. Yeah, I don't think I can use it. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to use it because of that big hole in the center. So, anyway. Yeah, I ain't going to be able to use it. Nope. Not at all. Nope. So I got to use that bracket. Alright. Alright, that answered that question. Alright, so we'll go like this. Come along like that. And I'm assuming goes on the back here, like so. Oh, I gotta turn it around. I see. Gotta turn this part around. Nope, that still ain't gonna look right. Like that. Or oh, I see. Okay. Alright, that's how that goes. Alright. Let's see what this other guy is. So, I'll put it in there, like that. Or do I go outside and do it? Nope. Just gotta go inside. But that ain't gonna make no sense either. Unless it goes this way. get it on and find out. Find out. Okay, I'm not going to use that. This is the wrong one. This is the one I want. Alrighty. So anyhow, that's it there. Oh. Oh, be damned. That ain't gonna fit there. Oh, Mr. Bill! Alright, that ain't gonna work that way. That ain't gonna work that way. Alright, so I gotta come up with another game plan. So what I think I'm gonna do is just use a washer. Okay, I think that'll work. Like so. Maybe. Alright, it's only a mock-up, so it'll get me pointed in the right direction. Oh, I got the bad boy turned around backwards. That's why it's only a mock-up. So I know what the hell's going on. I've never said I was ever perfect. Don't let me kid you. I am not perfect. Far from it. Okay. Now what size is this little beastie guy? Okay, with my half inch right there. Oh, it's a half inch. Hey. Alright. Alright, so like that. The inside. So I'll need, where's my screw I just took off? I think that's the one. Yep, that's the one I took off right there. Okay, that's the one I took off. Alright, so before I do that, well, like that. Okay, get that on there. Actually, I want to go ahead and install my wires. Let's see, make sure they work first. Oh, my battery's dead. Oh well, I'll have to wait until I get it charged then. Alright. There. Have to leave it like that for now. Then I got to see. I gotta find my half-inch socket because I can't put a wrench in this little hole right here. Gotta have a socket. So I gotta go get a socket. See what size that is. Duh. I'll just use this freaking tool. I ain't gotta go nowhere. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Get a bear. There. Yeah, that ain't gonna work either. I think I just might have a dilemma. Well, I think I might have a dilemma. Let's see. Okay, let's try that again. Whoops. Let's see. So, go scratch the paint, Bill. You idiot. Let's see. I'm gonna have to get down on my knees for this one. Alright, here we go. Getting too old for this knee shit. Okay. I'm gonna move these wires for one. There's that one. And there's that one. Yeah, I go under the coil wire. Now there. Yee. Okay. Alright. Okay. Get on there. On there. Alright, there's that one. Okay. Let's try this one. Oh, I got it. Okay, never mind. Alright. It's cool. It's on there. Alright. Alright. Alright, got it. It's on there. Alrighty. Now, I gotta plug in my charger. Alright. Okay. Get on there. Get on there. Alright, that'll work. Or not. We'll work on this one. Because I got the cover on it. Okay, this will work on this one. Come on. Don't make a liar out of me. Okay. Try this one. Oh, come on. Do 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 do. All right. Come on. Okay. There. Now plug it in. Okay, it's in the yellow. Awesome. Alright. So, I gotta wait. Yeah, I gotta wait. It is dead as a doorknob. Alright. Well, that's it for this. All I gotta do now, I'm gonna go ahead and put my seat on while I'm here. That way I can be done with that part. Got it. Right. I know I'm gonna hear some bullshit about how it took so damn long to do that shit. But you know what? I can care less about the negativity of other people. They want to talk shit? Go find another channel to talk shit at. Anyway. Ooh, there we go. Got it. Alright, it's looking good. Looking real good. Alright. Alright. There we go. Seats on. Back to normal. Looking good. Now the sissy bar looks really good now. Oh yeah. Bike looks a lot cleaner now. I still gotta wash this bitch, but I ain't gonna wash it until I get to Florida. Cause it is too damn cold right now. If you can't tell, it's fucking cold out in the garage. I can see my own breath. So anyway, now that this is complete, if you like this channel, like what you see, give it a thumbs up, comment down below.